welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the CumRocket token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on an exchange like Binance, transfer that over to your smart chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, and then exchanging it for the CumRocket token. I'd just like to let you guys know as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies and want to learn how to buy and sell and things like that, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to get the CumRocket token. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So you're going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you have your BNB in your Trust Wallet, whether you guys purchased it directly on Trust Wallet or if you guys transferred it from another exchange, you just want to make sure that your BNB is in your Smart Chain wallet. And to make sure that if you see there is BNB in your BNB wallet, you just want to go ahead and click on BNB and then click on the More option and swap it to Smart Chain, because if it's not in your Smart Chain, it's actually not going to show on Pancakeswap. So it's very important to make sure you guys have it in your Smart Chain wallets. But once you guys have it in your smart chain wallets, we'll just have to add the token to Trust Wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link in the description over to CoinMarketCap where we can copy the contact address and then paste it inside Trust Wallet. So we just go ahead and exit out into the link, and it's just over to the CoinMarketCap page. And all we have to do is click on where it says contracts and copy the contract address. And once you guys do that, we can exit out of here and go back into Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet, we can go to the top right of the screen where you guys see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. Just go ahead and click on that, and then we can paste the contact address up in the top search here. Once you guys paste the contact address, you'll see the token pop up. So we can just go ahead and click on enable and then done. Once you guys add the token to Trust Wallet, we just have to go to the browser on the bottom of our screens. Now, if you guys don't see the browser button there, you just have to go to the next link I have in the description. It'll be over to the Trust Wallet support page where you guys can go through the steps to add the wallet or add the browser button, sorry. And to do that, I'll show you guys really quickly what it looks like. And if we just go over to the enable the app browser support page, all you guys have to do is scroll down and go to where that link is on step 1, click on the link, and then it'll open up a pop-up here asking you to open it in Trust Wallet. So you can just click on open, and then it will add the browser to the bottom of your Trust Wallet support page. So once you guys are back in Trust Wallet with the browser, all you guys have to do is click on browser and then go over to Pancakeswap. Once you're in Pancakeswap, if this is your first time, you will have to connect your wallet. So I'll have a red circle around the connect button on the top right of your screen. Just click on the connect button and then click on Trust Wallet, and then you will see your balance that's in your smart chain wallet show up in Pancakeswap. And again, guys, just make sure you have your BNB in your smart chain wallet, or else the balance will not show up here. But once you guys have the balance shown up and everything is good to go, you can go ahead and click on select a currency and then paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well. Once you guys do that, you will see an option to import it. So you just want to go ahead and click on import and then click on I understand and then import. Once you guys have that here, all you guys have to do is change the slippage tolerance. Now for this coin, I use usually about 10% slippage tolerance on these kind of coins that are in this price point. But you guys can play around with this if you would like to. So I'm just going to use 10% for the example and then exit out of here. Now all you guys have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer over into the CumRocket token. So let's just say if I was going to do 0.2, I can type that in, and then it will show me how much of the token I'll receive. Now, if you're happy with this that you see here, you can just click on your little button at the bottom. Mine currently says insufficient BNB balance, but yours will say swap or something like that. And then a pop-up will open up showing you guys your fees and your withdrawal rates and things like that. So just make sure you understand that and you're comfortable with that before you go ahead with the process. But once you see that, you can just click on confirm, and then you will see a successful transaction notice. And then we can exit out of here and go back over to your wallets, and you'll have the CumRocket token in your wallet usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this token. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.